Hi guys, welcome to my channel Fashmake Style. So if you have seen my older video just 2 or 3 weeks ago, I filmed the Nykaa Diwali sale haul. But again there was a sale on Nykaa which was a Black Friday sale and they had like amazing deals and discount. And I wanted to order one makeup product which was never on discount but this time it was on. And just to kind of fulfill the minimum criteria, I ordered other necessary skincare items as well. So I'm just sharing this quick unboxing video with you guys. So number one are these soaps. These soaps are from the brand Roop Mantra in the variant lime and aloe vera. Now next, this one is quite different. This is basically a scrub based soap. So I read the review of this brand, this particular product. It was amazing. Everyone said that it is very good to remove dead skin or ingrown. So I have a lot of ingrown hair in my legs, so I hope this will work on me. I will definitely review it on Instagram. So keep following me on Instagram. Next is aloe vera gel. So again I'm running out of my old aloe vera gel. Now three things which are good in this one is it is mineral oil paraben free. It is on good discount at that time. And third, it does not have any color. It is transparent in nature, and as you all know, aloe vera gel is also transparent gel like gel. It is not green colored. So all these things are amazing. So let me just try and review it to you soon. So this is the makeup product due to which I ordered other products also, and then my cart value added. You know, I think that's their strategy and that's how we fall into the pit. So I am over with my older foundation which is on the right side, 230 Natural Buff. As you can see, it is a little bit dark than the current one. The new one is on the left side, 128 Warm Nude. So the older one, Natural Buff, is a little bit darker. It has very deep orange undertone which makes my face a little bit darker. So this time I went for the left one. Now the shade is almost kind of similar, but the new one does not have very deep kind of undertone. So I guess it will suit me. And the next product is like my favorite product, and it was on buy one get one. Imagine your favorite product and on buy one get one, you have to buy it. So these are the lip balms, and in winters I need tons of lip balm everywhere around the corner and my bags. So this is from the brand Palmer's. It is cocoa butter formula. I have already shared this its review on Instagram, in my YouTube video about top lip balms available in India. This is really amazing. It has SPF which protects your lips also from any kind of sun, and it has amazing ingredients, vitamin E, and the texture is also really smooth and amazing. So this product is not from this haul, but during the Diwali sale I mentioned during the last that one product is still left to come. It just came last week, I guess. This is from the brand Health Wheat. It is clear skin. It is a toner which is specifically made for acne prone skin. As you can see, the bottle is not very huge. It is for 100 ml. So I've just started using it. I will definitely review it on Instagram. So for any kind of specific review, you can comment down below. I will try to review it on Instagram or in my stories. So for that you need to subscribe to my channel obviously, and then follow me on Instagram. I will leave all the links down below. So make sure you're following me there so that you can watch my mini reviews easily. And that is it for today's video. I hope you loved it. Bye bye.